Hello, today we're going to be making our grilled marinated chicken that goes into the pizzas and the sandwiches. They're both delicious. Let's get going. In this bowl we have a pound and a half of chicken. Whether you want to use the breasts like we did or you want to use the tenders, that's fine. Usually I use the tenders, but they had a nice sale on these chickens, so we went for that. So you're going to start with some salt. We're going to start with the pepper. So we'll put pepper in there to however much you like. I love pepper, so I go a little heavy on it, but that's just me. You use what you want. What you think will taste good to you. Then you'll want about half a teaspoon, I guess, of salt. Let's call it like it is this time, salt. All right, and then you will need olive oil. And we're going to use 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Sorry, tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, that's in there. 1 nice big rounded up tablespoon of garlic. That's my second favorite part. And then you're going to want to take 1/4 cup of Italian dressing. Any kind you want, store brand, name brand, doesn't matter. Just need that acid in there and that flavor. All right, we're just going to take those, mix them around, get all that goodness spread around all of them. Make sure everybody's all good and coated. Then I'm going to slide this right over here for a second. We're going to take a plastic bag. If you fold the top down and underneath, you can make a nice little pouch for it. And there you go. And you won't get your chicken on the zipper part. So then we take the chicken. We're going to slide this in this bag. Now this is going to marinate in this bag in the refrigerator overnight. Good 24 hours. We'll have this chicken tomorrow night for dinner in that wrap you saw. It will be delicious. Make sure you pour all your juices in there because you want to get all that. All right. All right, we're going to put this in the fridge and we will see you tomorrow. All right, so welcome back to our chicken video. Unfortunately, I grilled the chicken and I thought I hit start on the video and I didn't. So the chicken's been cooked on a flat top grill like a Blackstone outside. It took it off the grill. I made sure that I only cooked it to 165 degrees internal temperature. You don't want to cook it much more than that because it will dry out. So on this is a grilled pita bread, and this is a Greek pita. You can buy those at Walmart. Make sure it's Greek or the other one's split in half. So we've got that on there. I've got some mayonnaise on there. We're going to put a little bit of provolone cheese. The delicious grilled chicken that we made. And then some shredded lettuce. Normally these get tomatoes on them. I don't like tomatoes, so if you like tomatoes, go ahead and put them on there. And then we just fold those in half, just like that, so that you can eat it. And we'll give it a try. All right, so we're ready to go ahead and try this sandwich. It's really good. I like how those pitas come after you toast them. I just put that in a skillet, warmed it up, got it nice and crunchy on one side. That mayonnaise and the provolone cheese and the Italian dressing on that chicken, delicious. I love this chicken in calzones. I unfortunately don't have any pizza dough here today, so we're going to use one of these pitas. they work out just as well. They're just as delicious. So we're going to take, I've got ranch dressing on here. I do like my ranch dressing, so we put that on pretty thick. I hate to do dishes, so we use plastic spoons. All right, got that all spread out nice and even. Then we take some, I like provolone cheese. I think it melts best on this. So we take some provolone, put on there, crumble it all up nice and good. Get some more on there, because I'm a pretty cheesy guy. So we'll get that in there. All right. Then I took that chicken and I cut it into strips, and I put some barbecue sauce and just a little bit of cayenne pepper on there. You can do it as hot as you like, with whatever flavoring you like on your chicken. I just like it this way. It's pretty good. Works out nice. Just throw those pieces right on there. As much or as little as you want. This is dinner, so we're gonna go ahead and put a lot on there. All right. So we got some chicken on there. Look at how delicious that looks. Get it on there. Now, you can use blue cheese dressing, ranch dressing, anything you like. I just like ranch. I'm not a big fan of blue cheese. I call it moldy cheese. So then we just sprinkle some more of that delicious provolone on top. And then this is going to go in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and it'll be ready to go. All right, our pizza's come out of the oven. It's been in there 10 minutes. Look at how nice and crispy that is. Sounds so good. All right, we're going to cut this thing up. Hear that crunch. Oh, so delicious. Mmm. Cut me off a little slice of that. We're going to give that a try. All right, we did give that a try. I got the video for it, but I did not get the audio. It wasn't clear enough, but the air conditioner was blowing on the microphone. So this pizza is fantastic. I've been eating this since I lived in Maine, and that was over 20 years ago. That chicken is fantastic on this pizza. You can marinate it any way you like. You can put hot sauce on there, do whatever you want. But it is fantastic. It's wonderful. You will love it. That pita bread, I am glad that I had to use that this time. That's that Greek pita. It was delicious. So give it a try, and we'll see you back here for our next meal.